This system is truly, genuinely simple. There's 70% fewer visible components within it. Every component is engineered to work with one another. This system is taken years of research and development and is revolutionary to the residential solar market. Every solar system we install is literally a power plant. And if designed properly with aesthetics in mind, with a product like Equinox, you're going to see 40+ years of lifespan and performance out of that system that doesn't have to look like a piece of machinery bolted on the side of your home. One design aspect I absolutely love about the Equinox system when it was introduced by SunPower is 70% fewer visible components within the system itself. This leads to faster installation timelines, simplicity of install, and overall aesthetics are much better. There's fewer components mounted to the home itself, like a traditional string inverter, as well as additional conduits, junction boxes. The overall appearance of that installation looks clean, seamless, almost as if it's floating on the roof. One revolutionary bit about the Equinox technology is the integrated microinverter built into the module. It's actually referred to as an AC module. This is important because each solar panel performs individually instead of worrying about issues like, say, shading or degradation that could impact the entire system overall. Any performance aspects are individually monitored by the panel itself too, giving you an overall yield and better performance for the lifetime of the system. All the electrical with InvisiMount is all integrated right into the attic and hidden in the walls, so you don't have any of the ugly conduit showing like you would see in a conventional solar system. It's almost like a custom car. Everything's beautiful. At the end of the day, what the homeowner sees is one clean, seamless installation that's aesthetically pleasing to the home as well as performs best under all conditions.